Technology innovation and improvements get stunning every decade. From home and outdoor to work, the economy has made multiple changes. However, the ease and convenience tech gives us to get improved every day. In this century, it becomes every part of our life, health, activities, and work most importantly. Talking about homes, before Google's smart home, there were times we have analog TVs, fans, cooking utensils, and other home accessories being manual. Then it got to a point when they became digital and easier. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of these devices that connect seamlessly with Google Assistant. So watch till the end and make sure to like the channel and subscribe to see more of our videos. Let's get to it. Assistant works with smart home appliances using voice command features to operate just anything. With the smart gestures, you could operate without even touching the appliances, while for voice command, of course, you can ask the Assistant AI to get things operated. Google has smart products of its own, works with a wide range of other smart home products which have interoperability with each other and make your appliance operation smart and convenient. Let's take a look at the best 10 Google smart home gadgets you definitely should get for your homes. 1. Google Nest Thermostat. The thermostat, which is often a home appliance attached to the central heating system, regulates the system's total temperature by keeping track of the ambient temperature within the house. Smart thermostat with HVAC monitoring, which keeps an eye on your heating and cooling systems, alerts you if anything doesn't seem right, and provides practical reminders to make maintenance simpler. When you leave, the Nest thermostat automatically lowers the temperature so you don't spend energy cooling or heating an empty house. A programmable thermostat that enables the Google Home app on your Android or iPhone to design an energy-efficient schedule. Most households may use the Nest thermostat without a C-wire. Other systems may require one or another appropriate power accessory. On a phone, laptop, or tablet, remote access enables family members to adjust the thermostat's setting from any location. 2. Smart plug compatible with Google. After installing the Smart Life app, which will be used to operate it, a smart plug with a monitor may be controlled from any location using your phone. To save energy and money, program the smart plugs to turn on and off automatically as needed. You may use a tablet or phone to wirelessly operate your gadget after connecting it. You may use the smart plug to manage your household appliances by speaking instructions to Google Assistant if they are compatible with your device. 3. Smart light bulb. Keep your Wi-Fi light bulbs linked to your home network when you're away or traveling so you can control them from a distance and monitor their status using an app on your smartphone. Simply use a voice command to turn on, off, dim, or brighten your smart lights. SmartThings, Google Home, and Alexa all work with Treat Life smart lights. They are dimmable LED bulbs that can be replaced easily in contrast to other bulbs. To create a calming and pleasant environment that matches your mood, you may adjust the brightness and color temperature using the app. Most notably, smart lights utilize just 9 watts of electricity. This is equivalent to 60 watts of conventional incandescent bulbs and results in up to an 80% reduction in energy use. 4. Smart faucet. Utilize the Auto Water motion sensor to give your kitchen faucet intelligence. Auto Water is activated each time you wash your hands, dishes, or dine. There won't be any more routinely turning knobs or touching faucets. Avoid bacterial contamination to create a cleaner and safer environment. The topmost sensor detects continuously flowing water and initiates and terminates it with a wave. Only when there are objects in the sensory area does the bottom sensor become active. 5. Smart lock. The Level Lock Touch's innovative and compact wireless design makes installation simple with just a screwdriver. By hiding technology on the inside of the door, you can lock or unlock your door with the touch of a finger, keycard, Level Home app, or a key. It works with both iOS and Android devices. You can enter your house with HomeKit from any location, use Siri to lock and open doors, set up automation, and more. 6. Google Home, Google Nest Speaker. When linked to other devices, the Google Home, also known as Google Nest, may perform a variety of functions, one of which is acting as a smart speaker that you can control with your voice and an app. The Google Home app helps you set up and manage home speakers, displays, Chromecast, compatible lighting, cameras, and more. It does not simply control the speaker. Additionally, this can do all fundamental smart functions such as playing music, streaming music or radio, setting reminders, controlling smart home appliances such as smart bulbs, smart TVs, security cameras, and other compatible apps, placing online orders, and much more. OK Google turns on active voice commands, controls, and responses for Google Home. Similar to Siri, there are options to modify the voice's gender to either male or female. 7. Google Smart Router. A scalable, flexible mesh Wi-Fi system, Google Wi-Fi provides dependable coverage for up to 1,500 square feet in a single pack and up to 4,500 square feet in a 3-pack. Points work together to form a mesh network for greater coverage. It has extensive coverage in addition to having fast internet. The Google Home app allows for direct management and monitoring of Wi-Fi consumption and activity. In the end, this smart Wi-Fi gives you the ability to keep an eye on your children's internet use. Thanks to parental controls that let you limit their screen time, ban some types of adult content, and halt Wi-Fi for particular devices on your mesh network whenever you choose. 8. Google Nest Outdoor Security Camera. One of the most cutting-edge home security tools for outdoors and indoors is Nest Cam. With its inbuilt intelligence, the camera can distinguish between a human, an animal, and a car, and deliver notifications straight through the Google Home app without the need for a subscription. 3 hours of free event video history are available, as well as 24/7 recording in 1080p HDR with night vision. You can view longer video history with a subscription. Nest Cam will keep up to an hour's worth of captured activities in the event of a power failure. You may broadcast your live video feed hands-free on compatible smart displays with Google Assistant, suitable smart displays, compatible smart TVs, etc. for more connection. Add a weatherproof power cable or an indoor stand with a power connection to Nest Aware Plus for continuous power and around-the-clock video recording, both sold separately. Similar to this is the Smart Doorbell, which has the same function as the Nest Outdoor Camera with the addition that you can fix on your front door itself.